Hey Sheshe, what are you up to now? Yeah, I know. You don't have to be so rude about it. The hunt for the golden Mega Gardevoir begins! Guys, I'd like to start this video off by saying thank you all, each and every one of you. We reached 100 subs on the last video, and as promised, we're doing a giveaway. One of you lucky winners will be getting a Mega Brave or Mega Symphonia Booster Box depending on whichever you select. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment down below with Mega Brave or Mega Symphonia and your favorite card from the set. We'll announce the winner of the giveaway in next week's video. The winner can reach out to us via our Instagram and we can take things from there. Speaking of, next week is also Sheshe's birthday! And you all are invited! Obviously gonna be Team Rocket themed. Stay tuned for that. Let's get this show on the road! It's time to pull the Mega Golden Gardevoir! Starting off with pack number 1. And as always, for the first few packs, we're going to be cutting it from the bottom. Really enhances that hit rate luck. Okay, card trick done. And we're starting off with Shuckle, Helioptile, Delibird, Bayleaf, and Mystery Garden. Okay, no hit in the first pack. Time to move on to pack number 2. Come on. Give us something good. Come on, Gardevoir. I know you're in there. Come out. Come out of there. Okay. Card trick. And... okay, we got Surfing Beach. Heliolisk. Nincada. Abra, and Houndstone. Okay, no hit in the first 2 packs. Why isn't this enhanced hit rate technique working? Guess we'll go back to the old way. Okay, card trick, Kadabra, Snover, Pachirisu, Litleo, and Mega Signal. Nothing, no hit yet, not even a holo. So, guessing all the hits are in the back. What do you think, Sheshe? Alright. Okay, we got Ninjask, Sobble, Abra, Electrike, and Raikou holo. Okay, it's Raikou. Who doesn't like Raikou? I think everyone loves Raikou. And the other 2. Okay, we got our first holo, Sheshe. It's time for us to get a good hit now. We need an art rare, SR, SIR, or MUR maybe. Okay, we got Frostmouth, Snover, Tangela, Sizzlipede, and Kyogre holo. Okay, back-to-back holos. That may be a good sign. For more hits to come. We shall see. Mega Gardevoir, such a beautiful art cover. Okay, let's see what we get. We have Mystery Garden again. Got Baneri, Helioptile, Ice-Q, and Mega Bombasnow EX. Okay, that's our first EX card. That is a very creepy looking snowman, I must say. Okay. Gardevoir, are you there? I know you are. Okay. Let's see, we got Tangrowth, Delmise, Stuffle, Kirlia, and Xerneas holo. Ooh, that is a cool looking Xerneas right there. Such a powerful Pokemon. Always has been. Okay. So no hit yet. Starting off with Shedinja, Snom, Nincada, Kirlia. Oh, Megalodios! Let's go. We actually did get another EX. It was the Mega Abomasnow. So this is our second hit, technically. Because we're not counting holos, right? So this is our second EX card. Pretty cool. We got 2 EXs already. No art rare though. Maybe this one's the pack? Let's see. We got Trainer, Baneri, Delmise, Spoink, and Mega Gardevoir EX! Okay, so we got the Gardevoir, Sheshe. But it's not the art rare SAR or SAR in this set in Japanese. So, what do you say, Sheshe? Alright. We'll get it, don't worry, Sheshe. Got Inteleon, Snom, Chikorita, Graveyard, and Mega Signal again. Okay, no hit in that pack. So we already got 3 EX cards. I think we got 2 holos. So, we're on the way. We're getting close. Okay. Got Magnezone, Beware, Snover, Jinx, and Snover Art Rare! Look at that beautiful... Wow, he's so cute! Look at that Pokemon! It's like a cute little carrot snowman. Snover Art Rare is actually a really cute card. Love to see it. Okay, that's our first Art Rare then. Hoping we can get something better. Vitality Forest, Electrike, Litleo, Ralts, and Mega Kangaskhan EX. That is our 4th EX card. I think we're done with our EX cards, right? We already got 4. That's crazy. Wow. First half of the set had so many EX cards. And we had 1 art rare, a couple of holos. I'm hoping that we pull another SAR soon. AR, I mean, not SAR. I mean, I do hope we pull an SAR as well. Okay, Tangrowth, Lopunny, Heliolisk, Tangela, and Houndstone. Okay, no hit in that one. But we are getting close, Sheshe. Don't worry, Sheshe. Let's see. We got Shedinja, Nincada, Beware, Abra, and Meganium Holo. That's our 3rd holo, I guess. 4 EX cards, 3 holos, 1 art rare, and we still got plenty more to go, guys. I can feel the hits coming. Okay, we got Shuckle again, Helioptile, Clauncher, Baneri, Chiyu. No hit in that pack. Sheshe, come on. What are you thinking right now, Sheshe? Alright. We got Grumpig, Delibird, Electrike, Ralts, and Suspicious Watch. No. Okay. Got an item as the last card. That sucks. Okay. Card trick. Starting off Suspicious Watch again. Okay, Kirlia, Mantine, Magnemite. Oh, we got Houndstone art rare. That is one creepy looking dog. But still a cool card. It is pretty with the purple and everything. I don't think it compares to the all the cards in Mega Brave. I think the cards in Mega Brave look absolutely vivid and gorgeous. Drop dead gorgeous. Okay, Mystery Garden, Ice Cube, Helioptile, Bayleaf, and Mega Manectric EX. Wait, wow, that is cool. We got 5 EX cards. What is going on? I thought we only get 4. Something is up with these sets because as far as I remember, I did a bit of research after the Mega Brave. We got an SR item, which is something new in this set. You get an SR item in this set. We got Ninjask, Spoink, Tangela, Stuffle, and Mega Abomasnow SR. Okay, we got our SR card. That is one very, very, very creepy snowman that we got as our SR. So that's scary. But still, we got the SR card, so that's good. All right. Let's see, we got Kadabra, Launcher, Stuffle, Graveyard, and Frostmaw. Okay, so we got an SR, we got a couple of ARs, we got like 3 holos, and we got like 5 EX cards. That's crazy. What is going on in this set? Okay, got Centiskorch, Ice Cube, Magneton, Delibird, and Trainer. Okay. We are running out of pack, Sheshe. Whatever. What are we ever gonna do, Sheshe? Okay. Let's go. Got Shuckle, Mantine, Lopunny, Sizzlepede. Oh, we got the Buddy Puffin. This is the SR item that I was talking about. Like, you get an item SR in all of these boxes. So it doesn't take away from your hit. So I was panicking for nothing in the last video with that balloon. Still don't like to see that bloody balloon though. Bloody because it's red, you know? Not for any other reason. Okay. So we got the Buddy Puffin here. And now we're starting off with Kadabra, Sobble, Chikorita, Waltz, and Alakazam. OG Alakazam Holo. Alright. Not too bad so far. Listen, compared to the Mega Brave, in terms of the hits that we got there, but still pretty nice. I like the cards. Okay, we got Centiskorch, Magnemite, Delibird, Ralts, and Trainer. Okay. Oh, are we? Okay. Feels like we have like very few number of packs left. Let's hope we can get it, Sheshe. Let's hope we can get that MUR. What do you say? Trainer, Clauncher, Pachirisu, Baneri, and Magnezone. No hit, guys. What is going on? We got 2 ARs. We actually did get 5 EXs there, so maybe that takes away. Who knows? Gotta do more research on this set. Pretty cards though. We starting off with Latios. Got Drizzle, Magneton, Abra, and Kyogre Holo. I think we already got a Kyogre Holo, right? I think that is a duplicate, and we have 4 packs left. The MUR is in one of these, Sheshe. Can you smell it? Alright, we'll see. Let's hope we get it. Alright, starting off with Vitality Forest, Snom, Heliolisk, Litleo, and Pyroar. No hit there. Okay. Keep those 2 there, and let's see if we can get a hit in this one. Come on. Okay, Vitality Forest again. Mantine, Tangela, Lopunny, and Latios again. Okay, regular Latios. Okay, got 2 packs left, guys. I'm gonna go with the one on the right. hope it's a big one. Okay, card trick. We got Inteleon, Magnemite, Jinx, Drizzle, and Chiyu. No, we didn't get a hit. Guys, I'm gonna use that enhanced hit rate technique again. It's gotta work. I'm gonna cut this one from the bottom. Gotta give me that MUR. Sheshe, there better be an MUR in this one. Alright, I already saw the Chico. Look at Chikorita in the back. Matching with the card. Okay. Last pack magic. Inteleon. Chikorita. Spoink. Pachirisu. And... oh, Shuckle art rare. It's an art rare card. It's a hit. It's a cute little turtle. Sleeping on a tree, I guess? That is a cute Shuckle. And these are all the hits. You got the cute turtle on the tree. You got the scary snowman SR. You got the body poffins, the item SR, the very creepy looking dog art rare. We got the cute Snover art rare, the scary snowman EX, the Mega Latios EX, the Mega Gardevoir EX. We weren't able to get the MUR. And we got the Mega Kangaskhan and the Electrike EX. And this is the binder, guys. Just like the last Mega Brave set, we have almost every common card and everything. Got the EX card, like we're missing that one. Guys, just a reminder, we have the giveaway. So don't forget to type Mega Brave or Symphonia in the comments below, along with your favorite card. And remember, you're all invited next week to Sheshe's birthday surprise. So hope to see you back here. Look at these gorgeous art rare cards like the Shuckle and the Snover. And that creepy dog art rare and the creepy snowman. The body poffin. Love to see it. That was the binder. Relax, Sheshe. I've got the perfect plan next week for your birthday, so don't worry.